Hey, this is Marvelyn Brown with Word Business Services, and today I want to give you a big welcome to the Energized Blogging Course. Now, this course not only shows you how to set up a self-hosted WordPress blog, it also shows you how to get your blog set up in the best way so that you can earn money, so that you can work from home, and so that you can reach your financial goals. So this is really going to be more than just setting up a blog. It's really going to give you a lot more information as we go through the course. This is a 10-day course. So today's course, we're going to get you started in terms of signing up with HostGator and getting your blog set up or installed. So once it's installed, then we're going to take you, the remainder of the course is going to be taking you through the additional things that you need to know to set up the look and feel of your site, to write great blog posts and really write them in a way and structure them in a way that grabs people's attention and pulls them in and really helps you to get an audience. Now, once you have an audience, then you can really hit the ground running and really take off with your blog. So we have a lot of stuff to cover in this 10 days. And at the end of the course, you're really going to know a lot more about blogging and, reaching your goals through your blog. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out with this page, which is where you should have landed if you were either in the course or maybe you were on one of my blog posts. You might have pushed a button that led you to this page. So this is where we're going to get you signed up for your hosting and also get you signed up for your domain. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to actually get you over to web hosting using this button. And then the rest of these buttons are really not, they're not, relevant to this course. You can kind of check these out if you want to, but we're going to focus on web hosting. So now this shows you all the shared hosting options that you have. The other thing that I want to point out is that when you sign up for shared hosting, if you sign up for an annual plan, so it has to be a plan where you pay for the entire year, you are going to be able to get free hosting for 1 year. I'm sorry, not free hosting, a free domain for 1 year when you sign up for a shared annual plan. So let's go through these options. So there are 3 plans that you can choose from. And as you can see, they start out at a very low price. And what happens is the longer you sign up for, the lower the cost. So if you sign up for 3 years, you're going to be able to pay as low as $2.75 a month. When you sign up for the baby plan, if you sign up for 3 years, you'll be able to get your hosting for $3.95 a month. Now that's the optimal rather, scenario. But, if you can't afford to pay for 3 years up front, it's no problem as long as you sign up for an annual plan, which means you can sign up for the 12-month plan and still get a free domain. The other thing that comes with your plan is you get a free certificate, security certificate. That's something that you need if you want to sell products, if you want people to enter a password, any kind of private information that you want your customers or potential customers to enter if they sign up for an email list. You don't want to sign up and have your email address out, in the open where people can get it. So this security certificate is going to give your customers the confidence that their information will remain private. And so you want that in any plan that you sign up for. The other thing that you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to get unlimited domains with the baby plan. And so the baby plan is the plan that I recommend because of the fact that you can, if you decide down the road that you want to sign up and, start more blogs, have more streams of income, you can do that using this unlimited plan. With this hatchling plan, it's cheaper, but you can only use it on one domain. So it really depends on, your budget and what you want to do. But the thing that I'm going to recommend today is that you sign up for the baby plan, and then we're going to go through some of the details. Okay, so now we're on the page that enables you to sign up for your domain and for your hosting. So here are the two areas right here. You're going to choose a domain and you're going to choose a hosting plan. Now, if you have, and looks like Be Frugal has some coupons that you can use to save money. You can also save if you sign up for Rakuten. You can get up to $30 back when you sign up for your HostGator account. So what I'm going to do is put links to Be Frugal, and I'll also put another link to Rakuten below this video so that you can get signed up. And if you choose to, you can go out and get those coupon codes and really save even more money on your hosting for your blog. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to focus on getting your domain. Now, I did an article on how to choose a domain name, and I will put a link to that below this video as well. But you want to definitely look at that, because your domain can really help your site it kind of gives your site a boost when you sign up for a domain that has keywords and some other criteria that you definitely want when you're thinking about a name for your site, for your blog. So think about that and take a look at that article when you have an opportunity. But this is basically where you go to sign up for your domain. You're going to get this for free when you sign up for an annual plan. So we're going to just type in, what I want you to do is type in the name, the domain name. Now, you may not have one picked out right now. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to type in it's sunny in I don't know, Utah. And I'm just making up something here, and I'm going to use the .com suffix. So I'm going to choose .com, and it's going to tell me whether this is available. So it looks like this is available, and I can get it for free. So this is the one that I'm going to choose. It's sunnyinutah.com. Now you put in this blank, the domain that you want, and then the tool is going to search to make sure that that domain is available. If it's available, it will give you the information right here. If it's not available, it will give you a message in red that says that the domain is not available. If it's not available, or even if it is available, it also gives you other options. So you can see all the different options that are available. The other thing that I want to point out is you have the ability to sign up for a domain for an entire year at a very reasonable price. So for example, it's sunnyinutah.club is available for $9.95 for an entire year. Here's one, it's sunnyinutah.space. It's available for 95 cents for an entire year. So you can see all the different price ranges here for all these different domains. And that's what's going to happen when you determine the domain name that you want and you type it in here. It's going to give you all these different options. And if you decide to use one of these options, it'll tell you whether it's available for free. It'll tell you what the price is. And it will give you your first primary domain for free. So think about that. You're going to get a free domain when you select an annual plan. So let's go down. Now that we've actually selected our domain, we've got it all listed right here. We're going to go down and we're going to go to the next area, which is your domain privacy protection. So domain privacy protection is basically, there is a site called whois.com, and it tells you the name or the owner of all the different domains on the internet. So if you want to know the name of, the person or the company that owns a particular domain, all you do is go to the site, type in the information, and a lot of people use this to reach out, if they're a contractor or if there's someone who provides web services, they'll reach out to you and ask you, give you a proposal and say, they do XYZ, and would you be interested in working with them? A lot of people reach out that way. There are a lot of people also that do negative things with this information. So if you want to be protected, if you don't want your name to show up on the Who Is listing, you can sign up for domain privacy protection. So for $14.95 per year, you can get this protection. Your name will not show up. It will actually show HostGator's information in place of yours. If you don't sign up for this, then you're not going to have the protection, and your name will show up as the person who owns this particular domain that you just signed up for. So hopefully that makes sense. So I am going to uncheck that just for the purposes of this video. I always sign up for this for my domains, but it's up to you as to whether you want to sign up for this. Now, next we're going to choose a hosting plan. So we've already done that. When we clicked on the button for the baby plan, it automatically populates that information. However, the thing that it automatically populates as well is that it will automatically default to 36 months. So that means that if you sign up for this for 36 months, you're going to be able to get it at $3.95 a month, saving you about 60% off the price. So this is really a great way to do it if you can afford to sign up for 36 months. And let's just go down and see how much that's going to cost you. So when you sign up for 36 months, you're going to pay $142.21. Now, you can do that if you can afford it. This is the best scenario. However, if you can't afford it, what you can do is sign up for 12 months. And that will give you $5.95 per month. That'll save you 50% off the price. So that's still a pretty good deal, and it still makes you eligible to get that 1 year of domain registration. So it's really something that you might want to think about. Let's just scroll down and see how the price changes when you go to the 12-month plan. So the price changed to $127.09 when we went from the 36-month plan to the 12-month plan. So think about how that, that price dropped about $100. So that might be a better option for you, but let's just continue down this path, okay? We're going to sign up for 12 months, and that's what I recommend if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, you can also sign up for 1 month. However, the thing that will happen is you will not be able to get the free domain. And once we refresh this page, it's going to take that free domain away because you're not signing up for an annual plan. So I would recommend signing up for an annual plan for at least 12 months. And then the thing that you want to do is create a username that you're going to use to log into your HostGator account. It may not contain any capital letters. It must start with a letter, must be 2 to 12 characters long, and it may not contain any special characters or values or be a reserved word. So I'm just going to type any old thing in here. Okay, so there's my number, and it checked off all the boxes. You got little checks here for everything, so I'm good there. I'm going to put in a security pin, and I'm good there. And then it's going to ask you for your billing information. So this is where you want to fill in your email address. You want to confirm that address. You want to put your first and last name, your company, which is optional, your phone number, address, and all of this needs to be your billing information. So the billing information for the credit card that you're going to use to pay for your services, you want all the information over here to match the billing on this particular card. So you want to enter the name on your card, your credit card number, the CVV code is found on the back of your card, your expiration date, And if you have a tax ID number, some people have a tax ID number, some people use their social security number, but that information will go there. And then here's some additional add-ons. I'm going to uncheck all of these add-ons. You can check these out. If you want to add these, you can. Now, under the security certificate, realize that there is a security certificate that is included for free that comes with your account. This is an additional security certificate, but the security certificate that you get when you sign up for hosting is going to suit your purposes for your your credit card information, anyone that enters an email address, if they enter their passwords, all of that information will be covered under that security certificate. This is something that's in addition to that, and I wouldn't sign up for it. That's just my personal opinion. But go through these and decide whether you want to sign up for those. For the sake of this video, I'm going to uncheck all of those. And then if you have a coupon code, there was already one entered, but if you have another one that maybe gets you a better discount, you can enter that here. But for the sake of this video, we've already got our coupon code. We got a check here. It's already been validated. So we're going to move on. So this gives us the order details. So we've got our support for free. You've got your account activation for free. You have a money back guarantee for 45 days. You have your domain registration free, saving you $17.99 for a year. You've got your baby plan, which is the 12-month plan for hosting. And you're going to save about half off on that. So that's $71.40. And you get another discount of $89.99. When you add in the tax, your total comes to $76.11. So that's not bad. When you think about, you're getting your domain, you're getting your hosting, and you're getting your security certificate. So this is all you're going to need to get set up. If you agree with the amount, once you get the amount the way you want it, whether you sign up for 1 month or 1 year, just, sign up for your account. And then once you have everything the way you want it, you click on the terms of service, you agree to that, and then you hit the checkout now button. Now, of course, I'm not going to be able to check out because I didn't fill in all of this information, but you will have all this filled in. And once you get that filled in and you get everything the way you want it, you'll be able to check out, and that will enable you to get your HostGator login. So when you hit the checkout button, there will be an email that will be sent to the email address that you provided right here. So you want to check that email, and it's going to give you your login information so that you can log in and we can get your blog installed. So the next step, I'm going to take you back to your HostGator login and show you how to get your site installed. And then once we go through the installation process, that's when the fun begins, because then we can start looking at, your colors and how you want your site to be set up. We can look at themes, we can look at plugins, and then we're going to get into, how to write a great blog post, how to find the best plugins for your site, how to use some tools that I have that I think you'll really like to really get the most out of your blog, to make blogging easy. And a lot of people feel that blogging is hard, but it's really very easy once you know what you're doing. I mean, learning what you're doing and knowing how to get, everything accomplished that you need to accomplish from the beginning versus kind of stumbling through it and figuring things out on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and log off for now. I think that I have walked you through everything that you need to get your hosting, your domain, and your security certificate set up. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.